My dad's side, and then you've got a half sister, her side, and cousins and nephews and whatever else. There's always somebody I've never seen before.
Welcome to the family. Well, that sounds like a lot of fun.
Here's a good turnout.
And where do you have it?
There's a cousin out in New Prague. She's got a big garage. Well, she's got 5 acres, but big house and prime area in the garage that they have. But it's a garage is big enough to hold 4 motorhomes. So it's one side of the garage actually divided. So you got either a motorhome or a large boat, cabin cruiser.
Must be nice, yeah.
Yeah, and then they have a bathroom, 100%.
Okay.
And I also got the refrigerator beer keg.
Okay.
So the beer keg is stay refrigerated at all times, so it's always cold.
Well, that's kind of...
They have designed for parties. They have parties all the time with neighbors and everybody else out in the New Prague area. So.
Well, and that's beer country, isn't
yes,
it?
yeah.
It's old German. And
it sure is.
Yeah.
I got an uncle and aunt coming from California.
That hurt a bit?
A little bit.
Okay, sorry. All right.
So she's been massacring my feet or taking care of my feet for well, 13 years now.
Now, just because people want to know what it looks like after we take a nail off, long term, how long ago did we do this?
Why?
More than 5 years?
Oh no, no, I think it was last summer.
Last summer? Okay.
Let's say a year maybe.
And so none of this is sensitive to the touch?
No.
Okay. Great.
Wait, now you mention it. I think it's last summer we did it.
Okay. I mean, I have your chart on my computer right here. I could go back and look, but... In New Prague, in the fall, they have a half marathon.
Right.
And I've run that I don't know how many times.
Okay.
Every year that I've run it, I mean, I haven't run it in a while, obviously, just look at me, but...
What do you mean?
No, I haven't. When I was running marathons and running miles and miles. But every year I ran it, I swore I would never run it again. Because it's all hills.
You're right.
And the last 7 miles on that back stretch,
right,
it's always into a headwind. So, you know, past cow fields and cow pastures.
You must have gone to Heidelberg then, where you
know what, I couldn't,
old German
couldn't tell
community
you.
is.
Yeah, I don't know.
The southwest of Ukraine, actually. So.
Yeah, it's just a 13-mile loop.
Yeah, yeah.
But every year that I run it, I swore that I would never run it again. Then I'd get talked into it.
Well,
next year.
Got short then over time.
It did. It did. I mean, there was a time where my entire social life was around, you know, just the people I ran with and running races.
Oh,
and,
sure.
You know. All right, so. we do this just kind of like coming in and getting your hair cut, because they're always going to grow back until you're in a wheelchair not walking anymore. So we just manage them, and that works for you, right?
It does.
And then we also have the special inserts in your shoes that help take the pressure off these spots, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how long does everybody stay when they come for this family reunion?
Oh, I got a sister coming tomorrow. She'll be here till Monday.
Okay. And today's what? Today's Wednesday.
She comes in on Thursday. Yeah, it varies. I mean, some come in for a week, some come in just for a weekend. A lot of them live in the Montgomery area, plus the Minneapolis area, so it's not
a big deal.
not a big deal for most of them.
Okay.
This is a very interesting process.
This?
Yeah.
Keep coming. Okay.
Hey folks, this video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have beautiful and elegant nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, cuticle trimmers, eyebrow tweezers, and an acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today. Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go, go, go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.